Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is going to be about a new AI tool released by Google Labs. So the name of this AI tool is Google Flow Music, and this is your own personal producer to create amazing music on this AI tool. So let's try it out and see how it works. But before we go deep into it, kindly like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot. So let's try it out. So here is the interface to create music. You can see you can type your over here and ask the producer. You can ask the producer here by typing the music you want to create. Now let's look at the left side taskbar over here. So get started with Google Flow Music. You have to first sign in through your Google account, which I'll do right now, and continue. Okay, now everything is set up. Let's click on I agree to TOS. Once you finish onboarding, you get up to 500 free credits to get started. Oh, that's crazy. That's really nice. 500 credits seems a lot. Let's click on agree to the privacy notice. And let's give it a username. I'll give a username as Prasad. Save. Okay, so my profile is created and everything is set up. Now let's click on songs. So here all the songs you have created will be shown over here. Then also playlist, all the playlists you have created will also be shown over here. And music videos and every single project you do on this Flow Music AI website will be shown over here on this site. And this is your profile. Okay,
Main
so
Street
you
has
vote for the
emptied
sample
into
that
this
better
wooden
matches the prompt. The
box.
rating will boost your
We are all
personalization,
here,
improve our models,
breathing the
and give one
same
credit.
dust.
Okay,
That we
so
spent 5
you
days
click on
moving from
whichever
one pile
song is better, like vote
to
whichever
another.
song is better. And
The
once you do
piano
that,
starts
you
a
get
line
free
that
credits
doesn't
to
quite
generate
end.
more songs.
Miller
And
is
the
laughing
AI
at a
models also
joke
get
he
a bit
has
better.
told.
You listen to both
His
the
hands are
music and then select whichever is good and vote it. That's also a really good feature over here called as turntable, which is really nice. Amazing. Okay, let's click on some more settings to see what these are. Personalization, instructions. You can give the AI producer here on Flow Music instruction or a prompt setting. You can say you can tweak some settings by giving professor some settings such as um, lyric styles or skill level or methods or something like that. You can do some prompt engineering over here to set the producer to go. And there are flows and memories. Okay, there is here is the upgrade button for pricing and everything. So if you have seen my previous video, I always create videos for free version because I want people to test out these AI tools and websites for free, and if they want they can upgrade to a premium plan. So over here in the free version you get daily top up credits, two concurrent generations, and all core features, which sounds pretty good. I want to see how much credits I have. You can see over here I have 530 credits. That's really good. I think so we got this 500 credits for setting up our account. So please do so. Once you log in into your Google account, you have to set up your account as shown in the video right now. And once you do it, you get 500 free credits plus 30 credits daily, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, you get 30 top up credits for free every day. Now that we have 530 credits, let's create a song. Let's dive deep into it now. Let's give a prompt for a song. Create a lofi hip hop track with mellow piano, wine crackle, and soft female vocals about late night studying in a city apartment. This prompt sounds good. Let's see how it does. So it created two songs. Let's check out the first one.
Please
Take
keep
one.
the volume down. The city is breathing outside, but we are here, right here. 1, 2, 1, 2. The page is still. The page is still. The tea is warm. The tea is warm. The page is still.
Wow, this sounds really good. So the take one song was amazing. Let's check out the take two song.
Please keep the volume down. The city is breathing outside, but we are here, right here. 1, 2, 1, 2. The page is still. The page is still. The page is still.
Okay, so this is also good, but I think so that the take one song was really, really good. It was sounding really nice. And this is how flow music works. You give it a prompt and it creates two takes for you, like two songs, and you have to select whichever is good. I think so the take one was really, really good. You can also remix the sound. You can download the video if you want a video for it. That is also an amazing feature. You can literally create a video for your music you have just created right now. Let's check this out. Let's click on modern, or let's check out this new feature called as music video. Create your music video. 2 minutes long and make some time to generate. No worries. Click on got it. Now it's going to create a music video for our song, which is the pages stay still. Take one. I forgot to mention that if you want to create music videos, it is a premium feature. As we are using a free version right now, we cannot create a music video right now. If you want to create a music video for your music, then you have to upgrade to a premium plan. It is not available on the free version. No worries, it's all good. We can check out the music videos later on, like in the next video or something. If you want me to create a premium version for this video, kindly let me know in the comments down below. I'll create a premium version if you want. But what I feel like these songs created over here are really, really amazing. It does a good job to create these songs. Let's create one more song, a EDM kind of a vibe. So I'll give it a prompt to generate a high energy EDM drop with heavy bass, euphoric synths, and no vocals. Festival main stage vibe. The interface also looks clean. The website is very minimalistic to see, and it's really nice to see as a website. Like it's the designing is really good. The UX and UI designs and elements here are really good. It are really nice to see. Okay, the drop was not that good, but the song was, I'll say, okay-ish. It was not great. It was not bad. It is good. Like it's not amazing, I would say, but yeah, the music, the song was really good. Let's check out the version 2 of this one. Okay, so these songs are really good. It's not bad. It's not good. I would say it's a par. But the previous song was really really good. I think so. This one, I would say the pages they still take one was really really good. So it depends upon the prompts you give to flowmusic.ai. It is literally a producer for you. Like this music which you create on this website can be used to publish on Spotify or YouTube or anywhere you want. This is kind of like a production level music created for you in just few seconds and by AI. So what I wanted to mention over here is Google Labs is doing amazing work producing and releasing out this all new AI website for different purposes. Right over here, this is for music, and there are all other new AI models and websites created by Google Labs for image generation and many such things. So that's what I wanted to show you today. You can create amazing music over here. Let's give another prompt and tweak out some of these settings over here. So make a soulful R&B song in the style of early 2000s neo soul male vocals about nostalgia and home. Let's click on this thing over here and let's check if you can tweak some settings over here. Customize producer. Okay, so we can't tweak any settings over here, which is okay, not bad. So let's give it a last prompt to create a music and I'll wrap up the video. You can also see the lyrics over here once it creates the song. Verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus, bridge. Wow, nice. Let's check out how the sound looks like.
I forgot how the air smells right here before you get to the corner store. Everything just slows down, slows right down. Yeah. That screen door still got that same squeak. My uncle's still sitting on that plastic chair, acting like he didn't see me pull up. I brought you here so you could see the start, the way the paint peels off the side porch is the same way it looked back in 94. Nothing really changes except the people, and even then we mostly stay the same. Mostly stay the same. This is where the weight just falls off. Walking through the kitchen to the back, I can smell the peppers hitting the oil.
Wow, it sounds amazing. Like this song is really, really good. It's so nice to listen to this song itself too. Like wow, it created an amazing music. Like wow, it's amazing. So I think so. It's based on the prompt which you gave. It created an amazing soulful R&B song right over here. The previous song which it created for EDM was not that good, but this one is really really good. Let's check out its track 2, second one.
I forgot how the air smells right here before you get to the corner store. Everything just slows down, slows right down. Yeah. That screen door still got that same squeak. My uncle's still sitting on that plastic chair, acting like he didn't see me pull up. I brought you here so you could see the stars. The way the paint peels off the side porch is the same way it looked back in '94. Nothing really changes except the people, and even then we mostly stay the same. This is where the weight just falls off. Walking through the kitchen to the back, I can smell the peppers hitting the oil, the sound of heavy laughter in the hallway. It makes me feel like I finally make sense. This is where I belong. Yeah, this is home. This is home. My mother got.
Wow, this is also amazing, but I think so the take one was really good. The first one was amazing. So yeah, this is how you can create music on this website called as Flow Music AI. It is created by Google Labs, so that's why I think so this is an amazing music tool over here. You can create amazing music and you can just publish this music on Spotify, YouTube Music, or anywhere you want. You can license, you get the complete license to this music itself. You can download this as a MP4 or MP3 music or anything you want it to be in. And yeah, that's how this website works. You get all your songs you created over here. And yeah, so this is what I wanted to show you today. This is an amazing AI tool for music creation. And thanks for watching this video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot.